guys, welcome to another beat making episode. It's your boy SD Music. In today's episode, we're going to be making an R&B type of beats in FL Studio. If you're new to the channel, please click subscribe to catch up on our previous episodes. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the beat was made using limited patterns. As you can see, I think I have just about some 12 patterns on the beats. But out of all those patterns, we have automation clips. I've automated most of the instruments just to create some variation in the track. The first instrument we're going to be listening to is the chord instruments. This was played using Hive, but you can use any VST available to you to achieve it. Then we have a melody played using Serum. Alright, after that we have this pad instruments. The pad instruments occupied most of the dead space in the beats. I played the pad instrument using Hive. Moving on, we have this alternate melody. The alternate melody was played using Keyzone Classic VST. Okay, then we have the bass line of the beats. The bass line was played using Nexus. How to make the bass glide. You can do that by overlapping the notes. When you overlap the notes, that's what happens. But it doesn't always work on all the VST. But in this case, you can actually make it work on any VST. To do that, come to the slot where you have the VST, click on it, click on this range option, come to the range tool, and turn on the legato option, the portamento option, and you can increase the slide and the groove that will make it glide on overlapping. But you don't need to do that if you are using Nexus. All you need to do is to open your Nexus, come to the mode option, and click the legato button to activate it. What that does is when the note overlaps, it will just automatically give you the glide effects. All right, moving on. Now we start having the kick and the snare and some other things to bring the beat up. We have this background noise. The background noise is just to give it the lo-fi feel and also occupy some of the empty space. Okay, turning on the risers and the cymbals and the tags. You will hear them later on the track. I mean, having done all this, the track sound okay already, but I just thought, well, maybe I can just add some more, you know? Maybe I can add some 808 on it. But before I did that, I added this percussion loop, and let's hear the percussion loop and see how it sounds on its own. So I sent it to track 4. Then on the track 4, I added some EQ and some reverb and also some soft clippers in case if I need to go overdrive on it. And I sidechain it to this track here on the mixer track 10, and added this halftime VST on it, this halftime plugin on it. What it does is it's half the time it needs to play, so it just plays. It makes it slower. That was the intention, and the reason why I needed to add it on a separate slot was in case if I need to just add another instrument to it, I don't need to have half time on each and every one of these things. Yeah. So we added the percussion loop. Let's hear how it sounds with the 808. Okay, so that is everything. I believe that's everything. And we have these automation clips. Let's listen to the verse 2 and some part of the chorus, then we're going to round up for today. Let's go. Alright guys, I mean that's one of the way you can make an R&B beats in FL Studio. Please click the subscribe button if you love the video. It helps my channel to grow more faster. Till I see you next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and peace to you.
Esteem